Sometimes one or two joints are tight and the joints above and below it compensate. So what we want to do is restore the movement in the stiff joint. The way we do that is manipulation. Chiropractors can move stiff joints, they can't tighten up loose ones, which is why we like to give the exercises as well. We like to work on postural advice because quite often a lot of these restrictions are posture based. So if we don't correct that, or we don't have that discussion with a patient, then we don't get the result we want. First of all, we're just going to feel, see if there's any restriction. What I'm interested in, there's 7 vertebrae in the neck. I'm interested in the joints between them. Are they all moving freely? So we just have a feel first of all. So I'm feeling the separation of one segment on top of the other. So my fingers are here. And because the neck doesn't just rotate, it side bends as well, I'm feeling for the quality of the movement between each vertebra. And I can feel a couple of joints feel a little bit tight and a little bit stiff. So they're the ones that I'll be feeling in a moment when she's laying down. Excellent, can I just get you to lay down for me now, Sarah? Just like we mentioned earlier, I want to feel the neck joints while the patient's laying down as well. So I can feel the neck here, and I'm just going to feel a gentle spring of the joints, just to feel if anything feels stiff and tight. And I can feel again a couple of restrictions there. This is a forward and backwards movement because I'm just pushing straight up on the vertebra. I also want to feel for rotation, and as we said earlier, you don't really get pure rotation in the neck other than at the very top. It's mainly slight lateral flexion, side bend and rotation. So we're just going to feel that now. I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. So just relax for me there, Sarah, okay? So I'm just going to feel here to see if anything's stiff and if anything's tight. And again, I can feel that restriction. Excellent, so I'm just going to, that's good, relax, Sarah, good. Lovely, brilliant, good. Gently traction you there as well. Good, and as I say, it's just slightly lower on this side here, so I'm just going to feel again, make sure I'm on the right joint, good, lovely, fantastic. So that's where we had the restriction before, it feels nice and loose, so really happy with that. I just want to feel the other side there, C2, C3, which is the higher vertebra. Bit more rotation, so we just feel for that. And again, that's nice and loose now, which is really good. And now I feel the mid back, and again, I feel this while she's laying down as well. If you just cross your hands over in your front for me, that's brilliant, thank you, good. I'm just going to rotate you around. And again, I'm just feeling for the spring of the joint. Oh, the joint's moving nicely. Are any of them particularly stiff? Are any of them particularly tight? Good. Again, I'm feeling for the quality of the spring of the joint, and she's quite stiff in between her shoulders, her mid-back or her thoracic spine, and I'm interested to see what's stiff and what's tight. So now we're going to do a little bit of manipulation. Take a nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, I'm going to follow you down and push. Just relax, good, relax, good, perfect, brilliant, good, excellent. It's okay, Sarah, not too uncomfortable for you? Brilliant. So this is the pelvis here. I'm just feeling for the pelvic bones. Good. And now I'm just going to feel the spring of the joint. And the right side there does feel a little bit stiff and a little bit tight when I'm trying to spring it forwards there. We've also looked at Sarah move, and now I like to spring the joints while she's laying down. So we'll adjust the pelvis. If you'd lay on your left side and face me this way here for me now, Sarah. Good. Going to bring the headpiece up. And just rest your head there for me. Arm out for me. Good. Brilliant. You okay?
Yep.
Here for me. Good. So again, I'm just going to feel for the pelvis there. So I want to make sure I'm on that pelvic bone, which is what I'm feeling here. So I put my hand on there, and I'll roll you in, and we'll adjust you. Nice deep breath in, and out, Sarah. Just relax. I'm going to roll you in. Relax. Lovely. Good. But the key with Sarah is sitting posture to make sure she supports her back, doesn't round through her breastbone. If we don't address those issues, a lot of these restrictions will come back. So it's really key to work on other aspects as well as just manipulation, which is why at this clinic we like to treat everything.